In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Google Drive. Whether you've just realized your Google Drive is set in a language you're not comfortable with, or perhaps you're learning a new language and want to practice, this guide has got you covered. By the end of this session, you'll be able to navigate Google Drive in the language of your choice with confidence. Let's start by visiting the Google Drive website. Before anything else, ensure you're logged into your Google account because these settings will be tied to it. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to click on Settings. Doing so will open up a new window containing all the customizable options for your Google Drive. Now, look for the General section. Under this section, there's a multitude of options, but for our purpose, focus on the Language setting. Here, you'll notice a prompt that allows you to select your preferred language. Click on it and you'll see a list of languages. Google Drive supports a wide selection, so whether it's a widely spoken language or something a bit more niche, you'll likely find it. Go ahead and scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the language you're interested in. Once you've found it, click on it to select. After you have selected the desired language, make sure to save your settings. Usually there's a Save or Done button somewhere at the bottom of the settings window, so look out for that and give it a click. This is a crucial step because without saving, none of the changes will take effect. Once you've saved, the language for Google Drive should update immediately to reflect your selection. If you don't see the change right away, a quick refresh of the page should do the trick. Just reload the page and you should see your Google Drive now comfortably nestled in your chosen language. Should you run into any issues, or if a particular piece of text still appears in the previous language, consider clearing your browser's cache or even signing out and back into your Google account. This sometimes helps to implement the changes fully. There you have it. You've successfully changed the language of your Google Drive. This not only helps you better understand and use the features, but can also enhance your productivity. Explore Google Drive with this newfound ease and enjoy the language experience that best suits your needs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more how-to videos.